As a first part, I'm going to open the website. I'm going to show you the Google Sheet not provide such a service that convert PDF to Google Sheet. For example, I'm going to select the file picker and I'm going to choose that upload button and I'm going to click the browse. And here you can choose the all file. Under the all file you can see that employees personal information, it's available. This is a PDF format. If I click, you can see that selected file information is not supported for upload. It means that the Google Sheet not provides such a service. So if the Google Sheet not provide such a service, we have one alternative, that is we can upload that PDF file into online OCR.net. Based on that website, we can convert this PDF into the Excel sheet. Alright. After that Excel sheet we can upload into this Google Sheet and it will successfully convert that Excel sheet into Google Sheet. Alright. This way I'm going to use to convert the PDF to Google Sheet. So I'm going to open the website. This is a free website, no need to worry about it. This is absolutely free. And I'm going to type online OCR.net and I'm going to hit. If I hit, you can see that free online OCR.net. It's in the top. You can see that the fourth option, the fifth option is PDF to Excel. So I'm going to click this one, PDF to Excel, because I want to convert this PDF file into Excel. After that I can upload the Excel file to the Google Sheet, right? So I'm going to select the file. The file is available, this one, employees personal information. I'm going to choose that English, right? And I'm going to click the convert button. If I click the convert button, it's a processing right now. You can see here that download output file is available right now. I'm going to click this one. I'm going to choose that download folder and I'm going to click the serve file and it's downloading right now. And this file is available in the download folder. Then I'm going to come to the Google Sheet and I'm going to upload that file into the Google Sheet. Alright, that file I'm going to upload the same file which we downloaded file. I'm going to upload to the Google Sheet. So I'm going to click the download button, download folder, and you can see that this employee personal information, it's available here. And I'm going to choose this one and it's uploading right now. And I'm going to show you the PDF file. This is a PDF file, right? This is a PDF file. I'm going to show that one. This PDF file I uploaded to the online OCR.net to convert the Excel, right? And the same file I converted to the Excel, then I uploaded to this Google Sheet, right? Okay, you can see here the same thing. I think that it's absolutely same, right? You can see here that data is absolutely perfect, but you need to check it out because this is very important. And I hope that everything is perfect and we need to do some certain format. That's it. And I'm going to merge the cell, right? And I'm going to put that the central alignment and I'm going to bold this one. And also I'm going to increase the font and I'm going to change the fill color is this color, right? And if I want to add the header as a different color, I can add the different color, for example this color, and I'm going to bold this one. So absolutely perfect. And right, absolutely perfect. So I just convert successfully from PDF to Google Sheets.